Download the free Amazon app by CashCowPro today. Check your sales and profits on the go. Want to find highly profitable Amazon products? You need the top 100,000 Amazon niche selector. Yes, that's right. 100,000 of the best low competition niches on Amazon. Join the Amazon Gold Rush. Sign up at CashCowPro.com now.
Hi, everybody. In this episode, we're going to cover the top 7 tips for expanding your Amazon business into Europe. So let's go. Tip number 1 is first step. Your first overseas market should be the UK. Everything is in English, which really makes it a lot easier when you're getting familiar with the rules of the game in Europe. Imagine trying to learn the system in Italian or French if you don't speak those languages. Now, when registering for Amazon in Europe, using the UK as a base, you can sell via Amazon in Germany, Italy, France, and Spain using the same account, and you don't need to pay multiple fees. You can also hold all your stock in the UK, and Amazon is going to ship to customers buying in other markets for a very small fee. Tip number 2, start small. Instead of shipping all your products into the UK, focus on a small quantity of one item only to start with. Use 100 units to get yourself familiar with the market, and that way any mistakes won't cost you a fortune. You might find that you need special paperwork and certificates to import to Europe, and if you have 5,000 units stuck in customs, that can get really pricey. List the product, set up ads, and check the payment system is working well and Amazon is depositing the money into your account. Tip number 3 is company setup. You can use your existing U.S. company and your existing U.S. bank account to start selling in these markets, and Amazon will transfer your money directly to your business account. Tip number 4, taxes. This is where it gets complicated, and because now you need to keep accurate records for each market separately. If you're already selling well in the United States, invest the money to get proper local tax advice in the UK about how your specific business will be taxed. Don't follow what you read on forums, as the rules are changing all the time. Just like with your U.S. business, you should be able to minimize the profit tax by reinvesting into additional stock for growth. Tip number 5, VAT. When you sell an item, European governments expect you to hand over 20% as value-added tax. When analyzing which niche to enter, remember that the price includes this 20% tax, and you're going to need to factor that into your calculations. Tip number 6, expanding further. If you're selling from the UK and find that you're shipping 5 to 10 units a day or more to one of the other markets in Europe, you can arrange to send stock directly to the warehouse to save some of the shipping fees. And tip number 7, the warehouse. In most countries, you're going to need to have a local company and address to be able to import and pay customs duties. One way around this is to use a warehouse service that also handles customs brokerage on your behalf. And this is going to add to your costs, but it's a lot cheaper than setting up your own local company. The warehouse doesn't have to be in the UK. It can be cheaper to ship into a different port in Europe, deliver to your warehouse in one country, and then split the shipment for delivery to multiple European Amazon warehouses. Get multiple quotes and compare them in terms of what makes sense for your product.
Download the free Amazon app by CashCowPro today. Check your sales and profits on the go. Want to find highly profitable Amazon products? You need the top 100,000 Amazon niche selector. Yes, that's right. 100,000 of the best low competition niches on Amazon. Join the Amazon Gold Rush. Sign up at CashCowPro.com now.